Hi, in today's video I'll reveal the best strategies to earn $500 online, the easy way, so keep watching to the end. Can you upload photos online? Do 500 in a single day. It sounds too cute to be true, but we as people make money just by uploading photos online. This is a proven way to earn an easy income and is available all over the world. So you can earn money wherever you are, regardless of your geographical location. There are no sales, no special skills required and no hidden fees. This method is so easy that just about anyone with a computer or smartphone with internet access can get started. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss a thing. Hi guys, welcome to the Money Machine here. It will guide you with a precise step-by-step process on how to start making money online. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, as you don't want to miss out on any new opportunities to earn money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, check out the first link in the description box to get started without further ado. Now let's jump right into the video. I want you to go straight to this first site that will help you make money posting photos, and the site is called Foap. You can access their website through the address www.foap.com. This platform contains a gallery with millions of high-quality, high-resolution images and videos. However, foap.com is not like any other platform. Where you get photos is like a marketplace that brings together different brands and talented creators. FOAP has hundreds and thousands of people buying and selling photos and video content. But in our case we are going to focus on photos, not videos, so we need to join as a seller or creator to be able to offer our photos to buyers. Once you're on the foap.com homepage, all you have to do is look at the right side of your screen, expand the menu, and click Switch to Creators, to switch the page from Brands to Creators. This will take you to this page where you can see this slogan reading time. To earn extra money with your videos and photos, there is an option under this slogan to download the FOAP app to your Android or Apple device. Alternatively, you can visit Google Play Store or Apple Store to download Foap directly. Once you have the FOAP app with you, you can go ahead and sign up for a free account. As a result, you now have full access to the Foap Creators platform, where you can easily upload photos and videos and get paid at any time. From a branding agency or anyone who considers your work to be an outstanding photo or video buy from around the world. Your portfolio. You get half of the profits and the other half goes to the entire platform, but that's not the only way you can learn from people. There is also the opportunity to participate in video and photo missions created for brands and earn hundreds of dollars. You just need to follow the description of the mission and send a photo or video that meets the client's requirements. Such an easy way to maximize your earnings with people, and as you can see here, people earn hundreds of dollars in different missions. It depends on what you want to complete. You can opt for video missions or complete photo missions, and for each mission you complete you will earn by selling photos to people. In fact, this is a great way to earn passive income. Since the photos or videos you submit can stay there and continue to earn money as long as people are around, there is no limit to the number of images you can upload in a day. It all depends on your effort. The more orders you make, the more chances to make more money. So please press the like button and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new opportunities to earn money online. Also, please leave a comment below and let me know if this method helped you make money in any way. Coming back to the video, now let's go ahead and talk about it. The second website that you can use from the comfort of your home to post photos and earn money, and that website is called Shutterstock.com. Just like FOAP.com. Shutterstock.com also has a huge library of high-quality photos for individuals or brands to purchase. At the same time, you can offer photos on Shutterstock and earn every time someone buys your photos. Anyone who signs up through your referral link will help you get a cut of any purchases or earnings they make on the platform. However, before you can start submitting to Shutterstock, you first need to sign up for an account, and the process is pretty simple. Just scroll up the contributor page and click the orange button that says Get Started. This will open a form where you can enter your personal information, including your full name and display name, and then enter your email address and password. You must check this box here to confirm that you are 18 years of age or older and agree to read the terms of service and privacy policy, then click Next to create your Shutterstock account. At the same time, it means that you can earn unlimited money from a single photo. And the more sites you sign up to submit photos, the higher your chances of earning more. This is a great way to earn passive income. If you like the video so far, hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new opportunity to earn money online. Also leave a comment below. And let me know if this method helped. They make money somehow. Now back to video. I know you're probably wondering how to get high quality footage to submit to both sites. We mentioned it correctly. Well, the process is quite simple. You don't need to buy a camera and start capturing images to get started with this method. I am going to show you 2 more websites where you can get high-quality images that you can download for free and use to submit to FOAP or Shutterstock and earn money. The first stock photography website with beautiful images is called Burst, and this website is powered by Shopify. To access their website, simply visit www.burst.shopify.com, and you can start downloading stunning photos which you can use to make money on the websites we mentioned earlier. You can begin by exploring the available images by category, then choose the one that you find suitable, and if you have an idea of what you want, you can simply type in the search bar and search for that particular image that you want. Now, when you hover your mouse on any of the images, you'll see 2 options to download. There is the option to download low quality, and there is an option to download high quality images. Considering that we're going to upload on a website to make money, we need a high-quality image, so you can choose the high resolution and download the image. If you are enjoying the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. Now the second website that can give you free, high-quality images that you can sell is called picwizard.com. This website boasts over 1 million high-quality stock images and videos in its library, all of which are royalty-free and can be used in commercials with no need for attribution. Once you reach here, the only thing you need to do is to go straight and select the image that suits your needs and download it. The image can be submitted on Shutterstock or FOAP to enable you to start earning. The opportunities are endless. And as you can tell, if you can submit even 10 photos on both Shutterstock and FOAP every day, you'll have high chances of making a huge amount of passive income as you go about your daily duties. I hope this video helps you to implement at least one method of earning by posting photos. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel to never miss out on new ways of making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started.